Happy Monday. Thanks for clicking to WYTV.com. I'm meteorologist Ryan Halicki. What you're looking at here is the 8 to 14 day temperature outlook. This would be valid for the final 7 days of the month of February. We've had a lot of cold recently. We've had snow on the ground for about a month. Well, through this week, we're going to get some warmer weather in place. The end of that 7-day forecast also looking mild. And as we go to the final week of February, also trending towards some warmer than average temperatures around the region. So let's talk about how this is going to play out and how that warm up will go for the week ahead here. This is the storm system that I'm watching that will impact us later this week, coming into the western U.S. over the next 2 days or so. It starts moving across the U.S. here. We'll start looking at our winds picking up heading into our Wednesday. It's a southerly breeze that's going to tap into some warmer air that's sitting off to our southwest. That storm system comes into the region as we come up on Wednesday night into Thursday. That's when we start looking for our precipitation chances climbing. But between then and now, we're going to see some pretty quiet weather and warming temperatures. So starting off your Tuesday, plan for temps in the single digits again. It is another cold morning for us, but the afternoon will be warmer. Our high today for Monday was around 20 degrees. We're already going to be there by noon and then add another roughly 10 degrees to that. Afternoon highs jumping into the lower 30s. I do expect to see a lot of sunshine for your Tuesday. Tuesday night, not as cold. In fact, the coldest part of the night does look like the early part here. Notice what happens to the temps as we go past midnight. We're stopped at 11 p.m. here and showing lower 20s, but as we come up on daybreak, already seeing a few degree rise in those temps. That's that warmer air starting to build in. Eventually, we make our way all the way to around 50 degrees for our highs, and we'll see those winds picking up, a few more clouds around on Wednesday as well. Now, Wednesday night is when we'll start looking for impacts from this storm system. An area of low pressure develops on that cold front that'll be off to our west Thursday morning. That's going to pull that wet weather into the valley here. Second half of our Thursday, we're looking at those those showers becoming increasingly more likely. Wet weather through Thursday evening. What I am watching is on the backside of this, once we make that changeover back to the colder air briefly here for the end of the week, we'll be watching how quickly that cold can catch up to this rain. There's a chance we could see for Thursday night a window for a mixed bag of precipitation, perhaps that wintry mix or a changeover to some snow in there as well. So that's a time frame we're going to have to keep an eye on. Thursday night into Friday morning, we may be able to see some slick travel conditions out there early on Friday. Friday will be colder as that cold front exits the region, but we'll see temps warming back up as we head a little further into that 7-day outlook into next week. So cold is on the hassle factors list here. Icy spots are still possible, especially with temps dropping to the single digits, about 6 degrees, that low for tonight. Scattered clouds through tonight. Tomorrow, we'll look for a decent amount of sunshine, that cold morning, followed by a warmer afternoon with temps jumping into the 30s. And then for Wednesday, well, an even bigger jump. We're talking lower 50s for the highs. Partly sunny skies, a breezy day. Now for Thursday, rain is likely, and I do expect temps still in the 50s for highs, but into Thursday evening, that cold front starts moving through, and we're going to see that drop in temps with highs back in the 20s for Friday. It'll be a blustery day, a chance there for a few snow showers, and again, watching closely Thursday night into Friday morning for the potential for a window for some slick travel conditions. We'll keep an eye on that. I'll keep you updated through the week. Into the start of the weekend, there's a small chance for a few snowflakes around on Saturday, but notice the temps, they warm back toward the 50s as we come into early next week. We're talking 40 on Sunday and then about 13 degrees warmer next Monday with lower 50s and partly sunny skies.